Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ujjwal Kumar Gautam and today we learn about Ottocycle. Ottocycle is based on the petrol and gasoline engine. First of all, we make two graphs. First is PV diagram and second is TS diagram, temperature entropy diagram. In pressure volume diagram, we make first isentropic compression, heat addition at constant volume, then isentropic expansion and heat rejection at constant volume. In TS diagram, first isentropic compression, then heat addition, isentropic expansion and heat rejection. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. अब हमने अपने दोनों डायग्राम बना लिए. So first of all, let clearance volume is equal to, this is our clearance volume, this is the smallest volume in the piston cylinder. V2 is equal to V3 is equal to 1. हमें से मान लिया है. अब हम लेंगे एक्सपेंशन रेशियो. Expansion ratio is equal to total volume upon the clearance volume. So total volume is equal to V4 in the PV diagram and clearance volume is V3. Because it is expansion ratio, we take V4 and V3 is equal to R. Take compression ratio. In Otto cycle, compression ratio and expansion ratio both are same. That is R. V1 by V2 is equal to V1. V2 and V3 are clearance volume, that is 1. So we take 1 and that is equal to R. So both are equal. Expansion ratio and compression ratio both are R. Now we take heat supplied. In this case, heat supplied at constant volume. In the process 2 to 3. Sorry, I forgot to make the arrows in the PV and TS diagram, which is most important. This shows the direction of the cycle. Sorry for that. So consider 1 kg of air in the cylinder. Process 2 to 3. Then we know that heat formula Cv, because the constant volume process, T3 is greater than T2. Now heat rejected formula. Heat rejection is also considered at constant volume. So heat rejected at constant volume. So the formula will process 4 to 1. In TS diagram 4 to 1. Cv T temperature T4 is greater than T1. T4 minus T1. Then we know that work done is equal to heat supplied minus heat rejected. हमने हीट सप्लाइड और हीट रिजेक्टेड का फॉर्मूला पहले ही निकाल लिया था. Then efficiency will equal to heat supplied minus heat rejected upon में heat supplied. Heat supplied minus heat rejected upon में heat supplied. Is equal to CV T3 minus T2 minus CV T4 minus T1 divided by CV T3 minus T2. कैलकुलेशन आपको आती ही है. CV अपॉन CV T4 माइनस T1 अपॉन में T3 माइनस T2. CV से CV कट जाएगा. Then efficiency will equal to 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. Name this point 1. But we know that we cannot determine the instantaneous temperature. So we will find efficiency in term of compression ratio. Instantaneous temperature. So we will find efficiency in term of compression ratio. Now we take isentropic expansion process 3 to 4. Expansion process 3 to 4. Three to four. Three to four. T3 is greater than T4, so T3 by T4 is equal to V4 by V3 की होल पावर गामा माइनस 1. आपने पढ़ा होगा. Then T3 T4 is equal to R की पावर गामा माइनस 1 because V4 by V3 is equal to compression ratio. Now we convert T4 in the term of T3. T4 will be equal to T3 upon में r की power gamma minus 1. Name this equation 2. Again, take isentropic compression process 1 to 2. Process 1 to 2 from PV and TS diagram. 1 to 2 process, that is compression process, isentropic. T2 is greater than T1, therefore V1 by V2 की power gamma minus 1. We know V1 by V2 is equal to compression ratio R. We solved this previously. R की पावर गामा माइनस 1. देखिए V1 by V2 is equal to R. Then we convert T1 in the term of T2. T1 is equal to T2 upon में R की पावर गामा माइनस 1. Name this equation 3. So put the value of T1 and T4 from equation 2 to 2 and 3 in equation 1. For convert the temperature equation into compression ratio equation of the efficiency. Efficiency is equal to 1 minus T4 minus T1 upon में T3 minus T2. After conversion, efficiency will equal to 1 minus T4 को हम कन्वर्ट कर देंगे T3 की फॉर्म में. इन इक्वेशन 2 में हमने सॉल्व करा हुआ है. T3 अपॉन में R की पावर गामा माइनस 1 माइनस T1 को भी हम T2 की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. T2 अपॉन में R की पावर गामा माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय T3 माइनस T2. अब 1 अपॉन R की पावर गामा माइनस 1 हम कॉमन ले लेंगे. देन 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन R की पावर गामा माइनस 1 इंटू मल्टीप्लाई T3 माइनस T2 डिवाइडेड बाय T3 माइनस T2. ये आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएंगे और हमारे पास अब एक्चुअल एफिशिएंसी बचेगी इन द टर्म ऑफ कंप्रेशन रेशियो, दैट इज 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन R की पावर गामा माइनस 1. दिस इज अवर फाइनल आंसर. Another way in term of temperature of the efficiency is efficiency is equal to, from equation 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. इस इक्वेशन को हम और छोटा कर सकते हैं. एफिशिएंसी विल इक्वल टू 1 माइनस T1 कॉमन ले लेंगे न्यूमिनेटर में से, तो T4 बाय T1 माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय न्यूमिनेटर में से हम T2 कॉमन ले लेंगे, sorry, T2 minus 1. Now from previous T2 by T1 is equal to r की power gamma minus 1, and also T3 by T4 is equal to r की power gamma minus 1. So T3 by T4 will equal to T2 by T1 is equal to r की power gamma minus 1. r की power gamma minus 1. Then T3 by T2 will equal to T4 by T1, changing the position, r की power gamma minus 1. Then efficiency will equal to 1 minus T1 by T2. Here T3 by T2 is equal to T4 by T1, so we can write T3 by T2 in the term of T4 by T1. Minus 1, so this will be cancelled out, and then efficiency will be equal to 1 minus T1 by T2, and also efficiency will equal to T2 minus T1 by T2. This is our final efficiency in a term of temperature. Thank you. I hope this will be helpful for you.